What was that, sis?
That's not funny.
Oh my god, what is wrong with you?
It's just hiccups.
How was your pho?
That's good. It's pho, not pho.
We need to leave.
No.
Cover your mouth.